Ensure the conduit is seated properly before torquing.
It's secure. Applying torque now.
Connection verified.
Connect the green conduit bundle next.
All right, routing it through the starboard side. The electrical conduits are secured according to the schematic. We're clear for the next phase.
Confirmed. I'll initiate the power sequence check now.
And I'll verify the alignment on the cannon housing.
Check the conduit connection on the left side, make sure it's secure.
There. Confirmed. Applying torque now.
We need to ensure the conduits are seated correctly.
Look at the schematics for the propulsion system. This tolerance is off.
I agree.
Turbine inlet temperatures are exceeding limits here.
We need to reinforce the thermal baffling around the exhaust manifold.
Check the flow rate specs on the primary fuel injectors.
Focused on the breech schematic here. The hydraulic recoil mechanism requires reinforcement at this stress point. Understood.
Are the tolerance levels updated in the latest revision?
Unbolt the recoil housing now.
Lift coming in, clear the platform.
Housing secured.
Okay, disconnect the primary power conduit now.
Confirmed. Pulling the main harness.
Schematics check out.
Confirm connection point 7 Alpha.
Connection secure, moving to diagnostics.
Initiating system alignment sequence now.
Initiating sequence stabilization test on the TOW FCC.
V prime levels holding steady at 98%.
Systems check confirms green. Recalibration complete.
The targeting system is showing a minor discrepancy in the azimuth readings.
That aligns with the error code we saw earlier. We need to isolate that circuit.
This reading is unstable. The alignment sequence is failing the diagnostic loop.
Line 472 shows a thermal irregularity in the...
Calibrating the thermal imaging site now. Monitor the alignment sequence. Sequence initiated. Power levels are holding steady. Diagnostics confirm full functionality. System is green.
Ensure the data cable is fully seated before locking. It's secure. System initializing.
Cable secured.
Confirmed. Optics look clean. Power cycle initiated on the diagnostic stand.
Diagnostic shows green, but the calibration is still off.
I'm checking the optics now with the magnifier. The lens alignment seems slightly skewed.
Copy that. Checking the connectors.
We need to clean this lens. The diagnostics show interference here.
Understood. I'll prep the recalibration sequence.
Cable's disconnected. System is prepped. Confirmed. Let's get this loaded. Watch your footing. Electrical connection secure. Final checks initiated.
Diagnostics complete. System nominal. Ready for deployment.
Connectivity secure. System is green.
Copy that. Moving to low position.
Watch your spacing on the truck bed. Let's get this secured. Tensioners are secure on my side.
Acknowledged. Confirming green status on the monitor.
Ready for transport sequence initiation. Torque checks complete on mounts. Straps secured. System diagnostics passed. All green. Ready for deployment. Torque check on the forward mounts. Forward mounts are good. Moving to stabilizers. Status green on diagnostics. System checks complete. Initiating deployment sequence.
Switching to tactical comms. All teams, move to objective area, bearing 290.
Integrating the sensor package now. Diagnostics look good. Pushing the software update.
Initiating final sensor sweep. Reading stabilizing.
Calibration complete. System is operational.
The sensor array calibration is at 98%.
Acknowledged. Uploading the new targeting parameters now. Stand by for confirmation. Initial diagnostics look good. The upgraded sensors are reporting a 15% increase in efficiency based on the historical data comparison.
Sensor capabilities have improved significantly since deployment.
The data from the 72 trials shows a 40% increase in efficiency.
This model clearly illustrates the significant advancements made in sensor technology. The transition from these vintage...
As you can see with this model, the evolution from the initial tracked vehicle to the integrated robotic units marked a critical milestone.
As you can see with this model, the integration of these advanced sensors revolutionized battlefield awareness for the USA military teams.
Sensor array wired into conduit network. Pinouts checked.
Confirmed integrity. Ready for power cycle.
Check the conduit couplings on the primary sensor array.
Couplings checked. System shows green across the board. Wiring harness secure on J35.
Run the diagnostic check, see if we have power to the sensor array.
Green light confirmed on sector 7.
Verify all harnesses are seated correctly before the power-up sequence.
Harnesses confirmed secure on my end. Ready for initialization.
All connections verified on this module.
Confirmed secure. Ready for system power up.
Securing the central unit harness connection. Torquing now.
Confirmed stable connection. Mark that one complete.
The diagnostic reports are showing a minor fluctuation in the power coupling.
Rerouting the auxiliary harness now, see if that stabilizes the readings. All primary sensors are green. Telemetry checks stable. Copy that.
Initiate power cycle sequence.